Soul Whisperers. How to connect with your true self. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of your inner guidance system? Ever wondered what it would be like to connect with your higher self on a deeper level? Curious about the mystical realm of soul whisperers and their ability to navigate life with wisdom and grace? If so, let's get started. Firstly, let me ask you, have you ever felt like there's a gentle voice inside you guiding you towards the right path? That's what we call the whispers of the soul. Imagine having the ability to tap into this inner wisdom whenever you need guidance or clarity in life. Well, that's where the concept of soul whisperers comes in. These are the extraordinary individuals who have mastered the art of listening to their intuition and connecting with their higher selves on a deeper level. They're like spiritual navigators, tuning into the whispers of their soul to navigate life's twists and turns with grace and wisdom. So, if you've ever been curious about how to tap into your own inner guidance system, you're in the right place. It's time to uncover the secrets of the soul whisperers and learn how to harness the power of your intuition for a more fulfilling and purposeful life. But wait, stick around till the end to discover more unconventional techniques that will take your spiritual journey to new heights. From crystal gazing to dream incubation and nature communion, these unusual practices hold the key to unlocking profound insights and guidance from within. Don't miss out on this transformative wisdom. Watch till the end for exclusive tips and tools to become a true soul whisperer. Later on, I've included a meditation to help with your soul whispering. So let's dive into some intuitive practices that can really help you connect with your inner wisdom. You know those moments when you just have a feeling in your gut about something? Well, these practices can help you tap into that feeling and trust it even more. First up, we've got meditation. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Sitting still and quieting your mind sounds impossible, right? But trust me, even just a few minutes of meditation each day can work wonders for tuning into your intuition. It's all about finding what works for you. Whether it's guided meditations, focusing on your breath, or simply sitting in silence and letting your thoughts flow. Here are some examples of how others have received intuition insights during meditation. Quiet mind, clear insight. While meditating, individuals may experience moments of clarity and insight when their mind becomes still and quiet. This state of mental calmness allows intuitive insights to surface naturally, guiding them towards solutions or new perspectives on life challenges. Gut feeling guidance. Some people report receiving intuitive nudges or gut feelings during meditation sessions. These intuitive sensations may arise as subtle physical sensations in the body, such as a feeling of warmth in the chest or a gentle tingling in the stomach, signaling important insights or directions. Symbolic imagery. During meditation, individuals may encounter symbolic imagery or visualizations that carry intuitive messages or meanings. These symbolic images may appear spontaneously in the mind's eye, offering insights into personal growth, inner conflicts, or future possibilities. Inner knowing. Meditation can help individuals tap into their inner knowing or intuitive wisdom. Through deep introspection and self-reflection, meditators may gain clarity on life decisions, recognize hidden truths about themselves, or receive guidance on their spiritual path. Synchronistic events. Sometimes meditation can pave the way for synchronistic events or meaningful coincidences to occur in individuals' lives. These synchronicities may serve as signs or confirmations of intuitive guidance received during meditation, validating the connection between inner wisdom and outer manifestations. These examples highlight the diverse ways in which meditation can facilitate intuitive insights and guidance, empowering individuals to connect with their inner wisdom and navigate life with clarity and purpose. Next, we've got journaling. This one's all about getting those thoughts out of your head and onto paper. There's something magical about putting pen to paper and letting your thoughts flow freely. You might be surprised at the insights and wisdom that come through when you give yourself the space to reflect and express yourself. Check out my video on journaling. Then there's dream interpretation. Dreams are like windows into our subconscious. They can offer valuable insights and messages from our inner selves. Paying attention to your dreams and exploring their symbolism can help you uncover hidden truths and gain clarity on your waking life. Here are some examples of intuitive dream interpretation. Symbol analysis. Pay attention to the symbols and imagery in your dreams. For example, dreaming of water may symbolize emotions and the subconscious mind, while dreaming of flying could represent a desire for freedom or transcending limitations. Emotion exploration. Take note of the emotions you experience in your dreams. Emotions in dreams often reflect your current state of mind or unresolved feelings. For instance, feeling anxious or fearful in a dream may indicate underlying anxieties or insecurities in your waking life. Personal reflection. Reflect on how the events and characters in your dreams relate to your personal life and experiences. Consider how each element of the dream may symbolize aspects of yourself or your relationships with others. Intuitive insights. Trust your intuition to guide you in interpreting your dreams. Sometimes a gut feeling or intuitive knowing can provide valuable insights into the meaning behind a dream. Pay attention to any intuitive nudges or hunches you have while reflecting on your dreams. Dream journaling. Keep a dream journal to record your dreams and any insights or interpretations that come to you upon waking. Over time, patterns and themes may emerge, offering deeper insights into your subconscious mind and inner workings. Remember, dream interpretation is highly personal, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Trust yourself to intuitively interpret your dreams and uncover the messages they hold for you. Then we've got intuitive exercises. These are fun little activities that help you flex your intuitive muscles and build confidence in your inner guidance. From practicing intuitive decision-making to tuning into your body's subtle signals, there are plenty of exercises out there to help you strengthen your intuition and trust yourself more deeply. Here are some intuitive exercises you can try. Intuitive decision-making. Practice making small decisions based solely on your intuition. For example, when faced with two choices, close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and tune into your gut feeling to guide your decision. Daily intuitive journaling. Set aside a few minutes each day to journal about your intuitive experiences. Write down any intuitive insights, hunches, or gut feelings you have throughout the day, along with the outcomes or lessons learned. Intuitive body scan. Take a few moments to close your eyes and scan your body for any tension or discomfort. Pay attention to any sensations or feelings that arise, as they may hold valuable intuitive messages. Intuitive visualization. Visualize a situation or decision you're facing and imagine yourself taking different paths or making different choices. Notice which scenarios feel most aligned with your intuition and inner wisdom. Intuitive movement. Engage in a physical activity like walking, dancing, or yoga, and pay attention to how your body responds. Notice any intuitive nudges or insights that arise as you move and flow with the rhythm of your body. Remember, intuition is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. So, don't be afraid to experiment with these exercises and trust yourself to navigate life with confidence and clarity. So, whether you're new to intuitive practices or looking to deepen your connection with your inner wisdom, these are some great places to start. Give them a try and see how they work for you. You might just be surprised at the insights and guidance you receive. Now let me share some extraordinary stories that'll give you a glimpse into the power of intuitive insights. First up, there's the tale of Sarah, a young woman who was at a crossroads in her career. She had a stable job that paid the bills, but she couldn't shake the feeling that there was something more out there for her. One day, she had a vivid dream about starting her own business, something she'd never considered before. Despite the uncertainty and fear, Sarah decided to trust her intuition and take the leap. Fast forward a few years, and she's now running a successful company that aligns perfectly with her passions and values. Then there's the story of Mark, who was struggling with a difficult decision about whether to move across the country for a job opportunity. On the surface, it seemed like a great career move, but something deep down was telling him it wasn't the right path for him. Despite the pressure from friends and family to take the job, Mark listened to his inner voice and turned it down. It wasn't easy, but ultimately it led him to an even better opportunity that aligned perfectly with his goals and values. And finally, there's the story of Maria, who was grappling with a difficult relationship situation. She couldn't shake the feeling that something wasn't right, but she couldn't put her finger on what it was. One day, during a meditation session, she had a sudden intuitive insight that helped her see the situation from a completely different perspective. It was like a light bulb went off in her mind, and she knew exactly what she needed to do to move forward in a way that honored her own needs and boundaries. These stories are just a few examples of how listening to our inner wisdom can lead us to unexpected and life-changing outcomes. Here are a few more unusual ways you can tap into your inner soul whisperer. Automatic writing. Set aside some time for automatic writing, a practice where you let your hand freely move across the page without consciously guiding it. This can allow your subconscious mind to communicate messages and insights from your higher self or spiritual guides. Simply grab a pen and paper, relax, and let the words flow without judgment or analysis. Crystal gazing. Explore the ancient practice of scrying or crystal gazing to access intuitive guidance. Choose a crystal or reflective surface that resonates with you, such as a crystal ball or black obsidian mirror, and gaze into it with a relaxed mind. Allow yourself to enter a meditative state and observe any images, symbols, or impressions that arise. These visual cues may offer valuable insights and guidance from your inner wisdom. Dream incubation. Before going to sleep, set an intention to receive guidance or insights through your dreams. Write down a question issue you'd like clarity on and focus on it as you drift off to sleep. Keep a dream journal by your bedside to capture any dreams symbols, or messages that come to you upon waking. Your dreams may offer profound insights and intuitive guidance that can help you navigate life's challenges with greater clarity and wisdom. Nature communion. Connect with the natural world around you to access intuitive wisdom and guidance. Spend time in nature, whether it's a stroll through the forest, a walk along the beach, or simply sitting beneath a tree in the park. Tune into the sights, sounds, and sensations of the natural environment, and allow yourself to feel a sense of oneness with the world around you. Nature has a way of awakening our intuition and helping us attune to the whispers of our soul. By incorporating these unusual practices into your daily life, you can deepen your connection with your inner soul whisperer and unlock the profound wisdom and guidance that resides within you. To reconnect with your inner wisdom and receive guidance from your soul. You have all the answers you need within you. Sometimes you just need to quiet the mind and listen. I hope this guided meditation has brought you a sense of peace and clarity. Remember, your inner wisdom is always there for you, ready to guide you on your journey. All right, my soulful friends, we've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you're feeling inspired to dive deeper into your intuition and inner wisdom. Remember, your intuition is like a compass guiding you on your journey of soulful living and personal growth. Trust in its guidance, listen to its whispers, and allow it to lead you towards greater clarity, joy, and fulfillment. If you're hungry for more soulful content and practical tips for embracing your authentic self, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of intuitive seekers. Together, we'll continue exploring the depths of our inner wisdom and supporting each other on our journey towards soulful living. Until next time, stay curious, stay open, and always trust the whispers of your soul. See you in the next video. please take a moment to like, share and subscribe. It really helps my channel and gives me encouragement